Wow. I can truly say that the work that's been put into this practitioner training has shifted who I am and how I am in the world. The clarity and the rawness that it's shared with brought me to places within myself where I feel that I'm now able to hold space and communicate to my beloved, my workmates, my clients in a way that is more grounded, more loving, more authentic, and I really feel that to be able to do this work, to be able to hold space and really go into the darker realms and deeper realms of the uncovering for people, that we need to be comfortable there ourselves. And what I found most powerful was where this work in the practitioner training took me, and how the journeys that I traveled through the work deepened me to be able to reach more, be of service more, and it's a real gift as a bonus that I'm doing deeper work for myself while I'm tooling up to be able to be of bigger service in the world. And I really thank Chantel and Tara for building such a detailed and full program. There is so much information there, there is so much wisdom and just raw honesty that is with it, and so much compassion and love and understanding on the journey, because they've been there very obviously, and they help me and others that are doing this course to really take that path for ourselves so that we can then do the same and show up and be of support for others. So if you're looking at doing this kind of work and you want to deepen the journey within yourself to be able to go deeper with your clients, then yeah, I highly recommend it. So thank you.